First, you need to add the routing node and set up the intents. We are only creating an intent for ending the conversation, so I will add the words bye and goodbye as utterances. Now, let's set up the end path for the assistant. If the user's message triggers the end intent, then the assistant will follow this path. Add the end node here because the path will finish after the assistant sends the goodbye message. Next, let's set up the fallback path for the assistant. We will handle the response using the OpenAI GPT models, so add the LLM node here. Also, add the read node to access the chat history and pass it to the LLM node. I've provided the system prompt in the video description, so feel free to use it. Mention the read node as it contains the chat history variable. For the user prompt, we need to specify the routing node. Now, test the assistant on the sandbox. That's it for this video. If you're interested in creating a customer support AI assistant, click the video on the screen now.